welcome back. Rico Moneybags, the channel manifesting you some extra money to make sure that you snatch up at least one of these BTC, if not more. But today we're going to be talking about PMPY, the latest and greatest from the team on their X page. And at the end of the video, if you support this project, if you support this channel, stick tuned and watch to the very end. It helps the algorithm want to push this video out to new potential investors. And that's where we're going to do some price prediction and technical analysis. So let's go ahead and get this started. Like and subscribe, put on the bell notification. Make sure you're following PMPY at Prometheum Prodigy, or at Prometheum PMPY. That's for the X page. Make sure the bell notification is lit like that. You guys will not miss out. But the team has decided to give our flawless community a Christmas gift. Prometheum Prodigy is here to create the next generation of crypto trading. We understand that can only be accomplished with quality investors. This community, and I have to agree, this community has pulled up to every single video, loaded up the comments. Big thanks to Pablo Crow and Power. The super chats coming in about PMPY. That motivates me to keep dropping videos, especially the engagement in these videos, the retention on these videos. People want to know about PMPY. People want to watch to the end because they know there's something here with the first of its kind AI blockchain layer 2 technology, okay? So Prometheum Prodigy team is dedicated to strengthening the trust and confidence of our value investors. To achieve this, we have made a strategic decision to extend the lock on the liquidity for additional year. For a whole nother year has been extended. By doing so, we aim to solidify our commitment to the mission, to our mission of promoting the integration of AI and layer 2 blockchain technology, exactly what I was talking about. This extended liquidity period ensures that our vision becomes a reality, enabling us to bring greater awareness to the limitless possibilities of this innovation or innovative technology. So it's been locked right there, as you can see. That is pretty bullish. Shout out to Pablo Crow right here. Shout out to Adam Shelton. Shout out to Power. Shout out to everybody. The super chats that are coming in, I see them, and I'm resonating with this. I'm resonating with this community. The way you guys pull up to everything, every video, every X post. This is all very important. The more we like and retweet everything, the more engagement we have overall across the board, the more people are going to be bullish on PMPY. Just like how the team has locked this for a longer period, solidifying the trust and their commitment to what they're going to do. That is also a way for the community to show that they also trust and they believe in the project by liking, retweeting, by engaging in these videos, by sharing these videos, my videos, Pablo Crow videos, anybody's video, Austin Hilton videos. Another big announcement right here, PMPY did burn, and it was as promised. They burned the tokens that they said that they're going to do, and that's a big nail in the coffin. When they continuously keep their promises, say what you mean and mean what you say. That goes a long way when people start to connect those dots and read in between the lines and see exactly that the team is keeping their word across the board. All right. So let's get to these price prediction, technical analysis. Let's get this video out there. I know you guys are probably enjoying your weekend. We got a slight pullback, no big deal. $11.17 million market cap. And this chart keeps erasing for whatever reason, maybe because it just wants to take off like how Pablo Crow says. But we're going to identify these spots right here. And these could be the areas that we're in, identify the all-time high and support resistance. And for those new investors, not to get shooken out and add selling pressure that's not even needed, because they just know that they're not sure that this is just normal. This is a normal thing happening right now. There's nothing to be concerned about. This is still going to keep pushing forward. This is a give or take section right here, this little channel. But nonetheless, we're looking at a support level on 0.15, so that halfway mark. Holding that support right here, right? Prior resistance becomes future support. We broke out. Now we're holding right here. Our new resistance level is at 0.06 or 164 actually. So creeping to that 2 cents mark. On MEXC, it pumped right up to 2 cents. So that's something that's already possible. It's on MEXC, on MEXC. It's on XT.com. If you guys watched my last video, if you haven't, go ahead and go watch that. Load the comments down below. And if you support this community, I have a link down below for the Moneybags Mansion. That is a spot where we will be shilling and talking about PMPY. So you might want to join that spot so like that people can see the support of this community inside that TG, because that's where I'm going to be hosting AMAs, going to be doing calls, and a lot more than just that. I promise you, this is going to be epic. We're going to print inside there. But right now, we got this support and resistance. These are the areas that we're going to be keeping an eye on. This was that prior resistance, becoming future support. So new investors don't got to get shooken out of the position. Maybe they just got in. They don't know what's going on. But this could be a support level right here, right above that 1.5 mark on the penny. And that's a good sign right there. And then we can probably consolidate right here. We can consolidate and possibly break back above that, going to chase the 2 cents mark on DeFi side, right? Or we can break down to this side right here, which is no big deal. And we can see that for the simple fact that this was an area that we had, that we tapped before. So if there was a breakdown, it would come right here. But nonetheless, that's still trading volume, and trading volume is needed. And we could probably consolidate here and go right back up to go attack. So these are the possibilities that we have. This is a quick video for all of you guys. Thank you for those who made it to the end. Thank you for the super chats that are coming into the channel. This is epic. The 1-year liquidity lock is going to be on PMPY now. That shows the confidence and the commitment of the team. Make sure that you guys are doing everything you can to snatch up one of these BTC as possible. And I think PMPY is going to be one of those ways that a lot of people are going to be able to do that as well. Be able to hold one of these and hold the floor for PMPY. So these are our zones. Want to break past that 0.01654 to go towards that 2 cents mark, or holding right here, right above that 1.5 cents mark. That can be very bullish. Holding right there, essentially just saying that this is our new floor right here, this 1.5 cents mark, and we start marching across the line like that, or having a breakdown to this side right here, which is no big deal. That's going to be that 0.01378, which we had been here before, and there was some trouble there before. So we could see something there, and then possibly something where we start to hold on this lower level and then go back up to test that 1.5 zone, that 1.5 cents zone. But I'm very bullish on PMPY. I think that this is easily going to go up to 5 cents soon. We'll see things like that. We'll see 10 cents. You know, who knows? We see people talking about win dollar. So that could happen. Win Lambo. That could happen. And I think it's going to happen. So I want you guys to continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me, share these videos. And if you guys can't do that, thank you very much. Snatch up one of these BTC. That's what we're going to do, okay? Make sure you guys are tapped in with me. Share the videos, like and subscribe. Until next time, you guys know what it is.